Google just launched a tool called Nano Banana, and it's like Photoshop plus AI on steroids. You can create insane images, edit them instantly. I'm even using it to make Facebook ads to promote online courses. By the end of this video, you'll see why this could replace a whole design team. This is the Google AI Studio, and we're going to click where it says try Nano Banana. I'll ask Nano Banana for a superhero teacher explaining affiliate marketing in outer space. We're going to click run. Boom, check this out. This is super cool. And here's the thing, the crazier and more unique your ads look, the more they grab attention on Facebook and Instagram. That means cheaper clicks and more sales. So here's how I actually use it. I generated this visual and I'm running these Facebook ads to promote an online course in Spanish. For example, if you are running affiliate offers, e-commerce, or digital courses, this can literally be your unfair advantage. And here's the wildest part. Nano Banana isn't even being used by most marketers yet, which means if you start now, you'll be ahead of 99% of people. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.